It's a Wednesday, floof. Hi, I'm Jennifer. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you came and I hope you decide to stick around. If you're a returning viewer or a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It is Why Not Wednesday, where we do silly things. And last week doing the eyeshadow roulette or the eyeshadow bingo was so much fun. I decided to do it again with a different palette. This week we're using the CoastalScents Revealed palette. It is a 20 pan palette. I've had it for quite a while. I really enjoy this palette. I think the quality is amazing and they are very reasonably priced. I got mine on Amazon. You can also get them straight from the CoastalScents website. I will see if I can find it and send I will see if I can find it and provide a link to it below, as well as all the other makeup on my face will be listed in the description box. I talk too much. Let's do this. Okay. Before we get started, I wanted to kind of fill you in on some things that I am trying. I am doing several things for 30 days just to see how they work. The first thing is, yeah, I jumped on that bandwagon. I'm trying the Halo Beauty because, you know, it can't hurt to try. I have taken very close-up pictures of my skin from the very first day. I have not been on them for quite a week yet. I will say that I have a few pimples, which is not normal for me, but I think I had one of those before I started this. So, don't know if it's this or if it's something else, but I have 1, 2, 3, several. And that's unusual for me. I don't get a lot of pimples. The other things that I'm doing is I am trying the Olay, what is that? Olay Eyes, whatever this red one is. I'll have to link it in the description box below. I'm trying that for 30 days. I am not using any other eye cream at all on my eyes, on my lid and below for 30 days just to see what happens. And if it works, I'll let you know. And if it doesn't work, I'll let you know. The other thing I'm doing is I am trying the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary and the natural moisturizing factor from The Ordinary. I'm not using any other kind of skincare other than cleansers on my face other than these two things for 30 days just to see how it works. So I will let you know. Okay, I have moisturized my face with those things. I did use my sunscreen. This is from Supergoop. This is a small, kind of a trial sized. I ordered to see if I liked it. I really do like it. I put it on after my moisturizer, before my foundation every day. It does not seem to affect how my foundation wears, so I really, really recommend this. It is an SPF of 50 and you can spray it on top of your makeup when you need to refresh it later in the day and it doesn't affect the makeup. Okay, babble, babble, babble. That's a lot of talk. I'm going to clip my hair back and we're going to get started. We're going to do Roulette again, but with a different palette. As I'm sure I said, or I'm going to say, I'm using the CoastalScents Revealed palette. This is a dupe, I believe, for the Naked 3 palette. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 20 shadows in this palette. So, let's just start. We're going to pick 4 colors today. And let's see what the first one is. 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is this shimmery color right here. Let's give it a swatch. Okay, just sort of a shimmer. Next color. $17. Whoa. That deep burgundy. I will say the reason I chose this palette, I've used this palette a lot, but whoa, that's some color. There are some colors in here I don't think I've ever touched, and I think that this is a pretty good little palette, and I have done it and myself a disservice by not using all the other colors. So, third one. $10. Alright, that's one of the colors I've never touched. It is this one right here. Swatcheroo. Woo. That's pretty. All right, last one. $19. Huh. Okay, it is a deep purple. It's right there. One more swatch. Woo! That's dark. If my eyes look a little red, it's because I started doing this eye look and forgot to hit record. So I'm just going to pop on a little powder because I just had to wipe everything off. All right, once again, let's try the, oh, my eyes are so red. Let's try this again. We're going to go into that first color that I did, the shimmery one. I'm just going to apply that to the lid. Okay, next color. We're going to go into that deep burgundy. This is a super pigmented color, I know from experience. This one right here. We have no transition color, so there will be no transition today. Ooh, let's blend. Blend, 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 blend. We gonna blend and blend and blend. I do really enjoy this little palette. The colors blend so nicely. As my daughter would say, that's a look. Don't know if it's a good look, but it's a look for sure. All right, what can we do here? What can we do? What can we do? We can bounce around in the chair. Wipe this brush off. I'm going to go into that very deep, dark, eggplanty color there. We're just going to take that on the very outside and see what happens. Kind of like that. She said. Without some sort of a transition, that burgundy is so harsh. There's nothing to do but just keep going. Crazy, crazy. Crazy colors. Crazy look, crazy me. I think I want a little more of that darker eggplanty color here in the corner. It's a little nuts. What do you think? All right, what shall we do next? I need some eyeliner. You know what? Let's just do this. Let's use this shadow as liner. That same deep, dark, purpley color. Just going to use that. It is very shimmery. It might look crazy. Off camera, I am going to curl my lashes and put a little mascara on, and I'll be right back. I'm going to use a little of the Dr. Brandt's Luminizing Primer, Luminizer Primer. I will follow that with what? The Healthy Foundation from Physician's Formula, and I'll be right back. That was some super shiny foundation looking going with that. Is that making sense? That was more luminous than I wanted, so I did top it with a little bit of the NYX HD finishing powder. Now it looks a little powdery, but I also know that my natural oils are going to pop through here pretty quick and make that look a little more natural. So let's finish up these eyes. Let's do it. Which brush, which brush, which brush? I'm going to use this little e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm going to find that fourth color, that coppery, bronzy, whatever that was. It was this one. Here we go. I'm going to do some lower lash mascara, a little blush, little bronzer, and I'll be right back. There is my finished face. Some thoughts. This palette, this little CoastalScents Revealed palette is fantastic. I love that palette. It would be great to travel with because it's so sleek and lightweight. It does not have a mirror. I don't care about that. I don't use the mirrors in palettes ever, so that's not a big deal to me. Once again, that was a really fun Why Not Wednesday. I would never, ever have put these colors together this way. And you know what? I kind of like the way it turned out. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you have not yet subscribed, I hope you will consider doing so. If you like this sort of video, give me a thumbs up. Oh, that foundation, I meant to add that. I am all over the place today. If you would like to see a wear test on that Physicians Formula the healthy foundation, let me know. I'd be happy to do that. Let me know if you'd like to see a wear test on that. That's everything, and I need to quit talking. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.